Hello, this is Professor Francis, and today we're going to work on calculating grams of carbohydrate, protein, and fat allowed in a diet. Alright, to calculate the grams of protein, carbohydrate, and fat in the diet, you need to know the diet order first, i.e. you need to know the number of calories that are recommended, also the grams of the percent of calories from carbohydrate, percent of calories from fat, and percent of calories from protein. Typically for diabetic diets, the recommendation is between 45 and 65% of calories from carbohydrate, less than 30% from fat, and the remainder from protein. To do this calculation, the sort of background information that you need to know is that, remember, carbohydrate and protein are 4 calories per gram, and fat is 9 calories per gram. Okay, let's do an example because it's a pretty simple calculation. Let's say the diet order calls for a 2,000 calorie diet with 45% of calories from carbohydrate, 30% of calories from fat, and 25% of calories from protein. You'll notice that these add up to 100%. They always need to add up to 100% because this is where all your calories come from, either carbohydrate, fat, or protein. So they have to add up to 100%. So first you're going to multiply your 2,000 calories times each of those percentages. So basically what you're saying is, what percent of the 2,000 calories are going to come from carbohydrate? Well, 45%. So 45% of 2,000 is 900 calories from carbohydrate. 30% of 2,000 is 600 calories from carbohydrate. And 25% of 2,000 calories is 500 calories from protein. But you're not done, because remember that the question or the problem posed to you is asking how many grams of each nutrient are allowed. So far we've calculated the calories from each nutrient, and we need to know the grams. So remember that the carbohydrate and protein are 4 calories per gram and fat is 9 calories per gram. So you need to divide each kcal number by the kcals per gram for that nutrient. So we had calculated that 900 calories were going to be allowed from carbohydrate. At 4 calories per gram, that's 225 grams of carbohydrate. 600 calories of fat at 9 calories per gram is equal to 66.7 grams of fat. 500 calories from protein divided by 4 calories per gram is 125 grams of protein. So it's a two-step process. First, you multiply your total calories by the percent of calories from each nutrient, and then divide by that nutrient's calories per gram to get your answer for the number of grams allowed.